Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Angeles City. I'm getting ready to head over to the construction site. I'm taking the truck over today because it is rainy season and it's raining today. We've been pretty lucky the last few weeks because although we've gotten some rain, we haven't had these just these long drawn out rains, which we've had today. And it looks like it's just going to rain probably the rest of the day and probably tomorrow. I hope not tomorrow because tomorrow's the 4th of July. But anyhow, I'm going to head on over there. We'll do a little video today, and then I'll show you some video that I did earlier in the week, and then we'll do a walkthrough today. But primarily going over now because I'm taking some more lights over. The electrician put the little pin lights in yesterday. I think he put all the ones that I took over there, so I'm going to take some more over today. So stay tuned. So in the master bath, and the electrician is installing the lights in the bath. The plumbers have put the bathtub in, so we'll bring the fixtures for the bathtub over tomorrow along with the fixtures for the showers. So the plumbers can put that in there. And they put the bum gun in, mounted the toilets. And the electrician did all of the lights in here. I forgot we had a ceiling fan, so one ceiling fan short. I gotta get one more ceiling fan. And he has installed all the lights in the master bedroom. Well, not all of them. We gotta put the T5s in here. I'm gonna bring those over tomorrow, and he'll put the T5s in. Got all the lights up there, and he still has to put the lights in here. And the plumber got the bum gun finished in my daughter's bedroom, and Steven is grouting the hallway, making a mess. But he's getting it done. And they did grout this the other day. And they covered this up because they were going to cut some holes in the ceiling for the light and the exhaust fans. They're continuing to skim coat the kitchen, dining room, living room. Who is working on the doors. And just put this coat on here. Now he's sanding it. And the two plumbers are on site getting some plumbing stuff done. So looks like they mounted in the downspouts here. And then those downspouts again will be boxed in with the Hardy Flicks, or that concrete board, the fiber concrete board. We got them done in the back here. I haven't done the sides yet. So it looks like they're done with the cladding on this one column. And they have started on this one. Again, they cut a 45-degree angle into that. So the piece they put in there should fit in there like this. So they've all the wiring and cabling ran in the outdoor living area, so they are now putting the Hardy Flex. What? They're putting the Hardy Flex up there. And then they are, looks like they're finishing up the ceiling in here in the kitchen. And Kuya is continuing to do the doors. I don't know, they got a smoke. I don't know what they're doing here. Mosquito. Mosquito? That's their mosquito repellent. So in the bathroom, I dropped off the shower fittings and the fittings for the bathtub, but the plumbers are not here today. I don't know what the story is. I think they were here earlier this morning and then they left. But the electrician is, I think he's just about done with the lights in the master bedroom. He did the, here, you put the T5s up here already, right? Yeah, oh, it's finished. So he put the T5s up in the cove, and the T5s are these right here. These are the 4-footers, and then those are the 2-footers. So he's just, I guess he's finished in here. And then out in the hallway, he's gonna use his bigger ones. And he hasn't started my daughter's room yet, or the spare bedroom yet. So they got just about all of the ceiling up in the outdoor living area, and they're doing this little piece here yet. They're moving along on finishing the kitchen, dining room, and living room here. Looks like they already have one coat of primer up on the ceiling. We get some more painters here. And the door guys continuing to work on the doors. And I think they finished putting up the Hardy Flex on the edge up there around the cove. So now they are skim coating. So then in the laundry room, Kuya has started to skim coat. No primer yet though, just skim coat, right? Or did you prime this? No. No, not yet. So you got to finish the ceiling in here, skim coat. But tomorrow is start in the maid's quarters. But in the laundry room, he has finished skim coating, or he almost finished skim coating, and then the primer. Okay, so this wall of the living room, she's talking to the painter. This is the final skim coat on there. And then they'll sand that and put 2 coats of primer. And yeah, they did finish this piece up here all the way around, that Hardy Flex. So they'll skim coat that as well and finish that off. So this area, the living room area, probably the most time consuming because the scaffolding, they have to move the scaffolding around and it's just a little bit more difficult to get at it. But once this is done, we'll be moving along. And up here, the plumbers are up here, and the electrician. And the electrician finished all of the lighting in the master bedroom, to include the T5 in the cove around there. And then the plumbers are in here. I think they're putting in the shower. They're doing the faucet for the bathtub. Oh, and they already put that in there already, so it looks good. So they have the shower fixture, which we got one of these for each of the 3-bedroom showers. And Kuya is putting in the faucet there. So Jerry, the electrician, is finishing up with the pin lights in my daughter's room. Did you put the T5s in here already, Jerry?
Maybe later.
Oh, later. So he has not put the T5s in here yet, but later. So Jerry thinks by Saturday, which is 2 days from now, he'll have all the lights done in here, all the lights in my daughter's CR, and all the lights done in the spare bedroom and bath. Well, that'll wrap this one up. Again, a very rainy Thursday Thursday morning yet. It's not quite noon. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment sections. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, which is down there, and you'll be notified the next time that I put a new vlog out. And thanks for joining, and hope that you have a happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day if you're an American, regardless of where you are at. Tomorrow we are going to a 4th of July barbecue. We went last year, and I have never seen so much American whiskey in my entire life. And I know tomorrow they're gonna have the same thing. So I cannot wait. Probably will not do any, well, maybe do some video in the morning and then go to the barbecue in the afternoon. So thanks for joining. Take care and see you next time.